A surge of clarity ignites the road when the VIOFO 2CH captures every detail in 4K 60 frames per second, paired with a rear 2K view that refuses to miss a moment. Sony Starvis, two sensors anchor its vision, balancing light and shadow with high dynamic range precision. Wi-Fi 6 support and SSD storage bring speed and endurance, ensuring footage remains sharp even on the longest drives. And in the quiet close of its promise, the number that defines its worth is $359. It begins not with a lens, but with awareness. The Nextbase IQ Smart Dash Cam listens, predicts, and alerts, turning vigilance into a living presence around your car. From live view streaming anywhere in the world to emergency SOS and intelligent parking detection, it transforms surveillance into foresight. Its design folds connectivity and artificial intelligence into a seamless guard that never sleeps. The truth of its value lands with precision: $499. Spin the horizon into a circle, and the 70mm Omni 4K answers with a 360-degree sweep that sees all. Dual Sony Starvis. Two sensors and artificial intelligence detection sharpen its vision, while 4G LTE keeps the feed alive beyond the cabin. True 4K resolution at 60 frames per second in single-channel mode turns motion into cinema, while dual-channel mode steadies at 4K 30 frames per second for balance. The rhythm of its reach concludes in a steady beat, $319. The hum of precision begins the moment 12 volts surge through the cord, pulling grit from every hidden corner. A 16-foot cable stretches across the cabin, feeding attachments that chase crumbs, fur, and sand with relentless accuracy. Its compact frame hides a large dustbin, while the HEPA filter locks away fine particles for cleaner air. And when the dust settles, the truth lands sharp and simple. The price is $18. One press, one lock, and suddenly your phone feels anchored like a compass guiding the road ahead. The iOttie Easy One. Touch 5 dashboard mount features a telescopic arm extending up to 6.75 inches, a redesigned bottom foot, and a magnetic cord organizer to tame cables. Its suction cup secures firmly to dash or windshield, while the cradle adapts to wider devices and cases. The rhythm of control and convenience resolves in a single note. Its price is $24. A spark of rebellion rides on 4 wheels, sculpted in steel and lit by LED bars. Inspired directly by the angular silhouette of the Cybertruck, the Cyberquad for kids is a fully electric ride-on ATV with a cushioned seat, rear disc braking, and a sturdy frame. It channels Tesla's futuristic design language into a scaled-down adventure machine built for young explorers. And when the thrill pauses, the number that lingers is its official cost, $1,900. Imagine a car that doesn't just move but converses, its digital soul woven into every curve. The BMW i Vision Dee, unveiled at CES 2023, is a vision sedan previewing the Neue Klasse platform, blending minimalist design with groundbreaking digital interaction. Its body can shift between 32 colors using e-ink panels, while its interface transforms the windshield into an augmented reality canvas. Yet, this vision remains priceless, for BMW has declared no official sale figure. The silence itself becomes the final sentence. A whisper of cinema on wheels, where 40 sensors and spatial audio turn motion into experience. The Afeela One, born from Sony and Honda's partnership, is a luxury electric sedan with up to 300 miles of estimated range and immersive infotainment powered by artificial intelligence. Its oval silhouette and dynamic media bar redefine how technology and elegance coexist on the road. And so, the curtain falls with a precise note. The journey begins at $89,900. Imagine a car that glides sideways into a parking spot as if gravity itself bent to its will. Hyundai Mobis' e-corner system integrates steering, braking, suspension, and electric drive into each wheel, enabling crab driving, diagonal motion, and even full 360-degree rotation. This breakthrough redefines mobility by eliminating traditional mechanical linkages and opening new possibilities for design and maneuverability. It is a vision of future transport unveiled at CES, yet Hyundai has not announced an official retail price, leaving the number unspoken like a secret waiting to be revealed. A screen that disappears into air yet tells stories in vivid light feels like science turned into poetry. LG's transparent OLED car display uses self-lighting pixels with 37% transparency, allowing drivers to see both digital information and the world beyond. Built with tandem OLED technology for durability and brightness, it transforms dashboards into living glass. For now, LG has not disclosed an official automotive price, so the silence of cost becomes part of its mystique. Step inside a cabin where the dashboard becomes a cinematic horizon stretching from pillar to pillar. The Mercedes-Benz MBUX Hyperscreen spans over 56 inches, combining three seamlessly integrated OLED displays with artificial intelligence that learns driver habits. Its zero-layer interface ensures essential functions are always visible without endless scrolling, making interaction intuitive and fluid. Offered as an option in the EQS, its official price is written as $7,500, a figure that lands with the weight of precision. In a single breath, your ordinary bike transforms into something extraordinary, powered by a hidden surge of electricity. The Pack Boost kit installs in under 1 minute without tools, delivering up to 250 watts of motor assistance that peaks at 500 watts while staying within legal speed limits. Riders can choose between a 158 watt-hour battery for 50 kilometers of range or a 200 watt-hour battery for 70 kilometers, both doubling as power banks with fast USB-C charging. The official price is $599. The road ahead becomes a canvas of light, where every heartbeat and pedal stroke glows in luminous green. Weighing only 39 grams, the CyberSight Guardian hood glasses project speed, cadence, heart rate, and navigation directly into your line of sight with brightness reaching 1,500 nits. Their polarized photochromic lenses adapt to changing light, while Bluetooth 5.3 ensures seamless connection to smartphones, Apple Watch, and BLE cycling sensors across iOS and Android. And so the Vision closes with clarity. The journey begins at $89.